Hello my YouTube friends! Today my friend Jay, partner from ROBOJAM India, will explain this drill concept to you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click that little bell so don't miss any new release. Let's say hello to Jay. Namaste. Let's go!
Today I wanted to discuss with you one of my previous competition that I have organized in India. Right, the category name is disc drill. Here it is shown on your screen. It is showing you disc transport, but I have given the name of that category as a disc drill. So as you can see on your screen, there are 12 discs. Right, the concept is very simple. You have to pick up each disc and you have to keep it in a respective square of that color square. So what I have given in a task was very simple. Here you can see there are total number of discs are 12. Okay, so you can see there are three different colors, each of 4 discs: 4 green color disc, 4 red color disc, and 4 blue color disc. So the concept is that you have to pick up all the 4 green discs and put it into a blue square. Right, then you have to pick up all the red disc and you have to keep it in a green square, and all the blue disc in a red square. So this was the concept. I have already done the programming. I would like to show you the solution as well, as it is very difficult for you to understand this code. I would like to take the session later on to explain each and every steps that I have done over here. Okay, but first of all, see, you can go by any random number. Okay, it is not necessary like you have to pick up first blue disc, then red disc, and then green disc. You can go for any random order is not necessary here. So we will see whether it is picking up all the disc. I have done all the programs. I just wanted to show you all the solutions that I have done over here, so that it will clear all the doubts that you have in the previous competition. So here I have clicked the play button. We will see. Here my robot picked up the first green color disc, and as said, it is going to put it in a blue square. Here goes blue disc and it should go in red square. It's a red disc, so it should go in a green square. Likewise, it should go for all the discs respectively. We will see the output one by one. Another green disc, it should go in a blue square. Third green disc, it should also go in blue square. This is a third blue disc, and it should go in red square. All this task you have to do in a minimum number of time. The time which will be counted is the time you have taken for coding the whole process, and your execution time. That is, the robot will take time to complete the whole task. Right now it's 1 minute 37 seconds and it's half done. Now only 4 discs are remaining. We will see in how much minute it is going to complete the task. This is the 4th disc. It should go in red square. Okay, so all blue squares are all the blue discs are done in red square. Now only 2 color of disc are remaining, that is red and green. All the reds should be in green. Okay, this one is the last disc in red color. It should go in green. So all the red discs are now in green square. Okay, final one and the last one that remaining is the green disc. It should go in blue square. This is the last disk. Great, it's working. As you can see, the end of the program, your robot position should be like this. Okay, so this is the end of the process, and you can see how much time it has taken. It's 2 minutes 51 seconds and 6 microseconds. So this is the execution time of the robot, and how much time I'm taking to code all this process plus the execution of the robot is your total time. Okay, so based on this timing, you are going to decide on which place you are going to get on first rank, second rank and third rank in RoboJam India. I hope I cleared all your doubts. So it's time to end our session now. Bye. Once again, I would like to tell you Namaste from India.